What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the Z again. The quarter panels on this car have always been terrible. Ever since I've gotten the car, they've been a disaster. At some point, I'm going to replace them with a set of decent quarter panels that I was able to cut off of a car in the wrecking yard. But until that happens, we're going to glaze these guys with Bondo and try to shape them out so they look more or less right. I think we'll be able to do a good job of it, but we'll see what happens. So we're trying to get this car ready for Villains, which is this upcoming weekend, and the hope is that we can get the wing, the rear bumper, and the front bumper painted, along with the quarter panels and maybe the rockers, so that this car looks more or less together. It's still going to be a total hoopty, but it'll be one color and it'll have good fitment, and hopefully I can drive it okay. This is not the way that you should be doing body work. You shouldn't use this much Bondo. It's bad practice. But these quarter panels are coming off completely within the next year or two, but just for a short time. It's crazy what one layer of Bondo will do. The whole shape of the car is coming back a lot. So the other side has a lot of low spots, but overall it's pretty good. Villains has come and gone. Villains was a really fun event, although I barely drove the Z. The lower radiator hose on this car got sliced like 8 laps into driving, and so I just patched it and didn't drive anymore. We're back here working on the quarter panels still. The passenger side is very close to done. I have a couple pieces to sand out. I put this Bondo on yesterday. The driver's side is done. It's all a lie, man. Dude, this whole quarter panel is made of Bondo. It's crazy. Got the glaze coat sanded down, and this is what we're left with. This is sanded down to 120. I need to go to 220 before we prime it, but it's looking fantastic. I'm really stoked.
can do it.
How are things going?
Super fantastic. Actually pretty good.
That's cool.
Now, like everything, there's been a bunch of challenges, but like we're close.
Yeah. The car is almost all the way taped off. We left a little bit of a hole in the door so we can move the car back a few feet before we paint it, but all the other holes are sealed. Sam Squinch is prepping the last few things, and then it'll be paint time.
Very exciting.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
This car's gonna look way better than it should.
Yeah, it's all a lie. It's all Bondo.
It's like frosting on a cake.
Yeah, it's terrible. So I am gonna be running, it's a stock bumper. The old bumper had like a lower half chunk. I'm excited to see this painted. This bumper is the same bumper as the one I have right now. It's the 99 J-Spec bumper, but this one doesn't have a license plate and it's made of urethane. I don't like that it's made out of urethane, but I do like that it has the license plate deleted. I can thrash this bumper and not worry about it too much, and later down the road we can paint the actual Nissan bumper for like nice drift events and such. The wing sounded out really, really well. Looks nice and flat, and yeah. Car should look pretty crazy after this. I'm excited to see it. Everything's taped off. The hole in the door's taped off. Just about ready to go. Next time you guys see this thing, it's gonna be white.